guys, welcome back. So as we all are homebound because of the lockdown and it looks like the lockdown will get extended, I thought I'd share certain tips with you guys regarding little skin problems that you might not be facing during this quarantine. And they are tips related to eyes, tips related to lips, hands, etc. So without any further chitter chatter, let's begin. Alright, so we'll start with our hands because we are washing our hands as frequently as we can, and of course the hand washes and the sanitizers are strong, the ones that we are using at least right now. The hands are getting drier and definitely getting patchier. Don't worry, you're not the only one going through this problem. I'm sure a lot of people are. So the first and the foremost tip is use a hand cream as frequently through the day as you can. If you don't have a hand cream, no worries. Use oil, use any coconut, almond or olive oil onto your hand. Rub it properly. If you don't want to use an oil, use any nice heavy moisturizer, any cold cream that you might have tucked away because summers are here, but please take them out. Apply them on your hands properly because our hands really need a lot of moisturization right now. So the second tip is that once you've washed your hands and you go to the hand towel to dry your hands, don't rub the hand towel against your hand because that will only aggravate the dryness onto your hand. So please make this, I know it is difficult to do it, but please try doing it. So blot dry your hand, don't rub it, pat dry as much as you can. This will really help in the longer run at least, because if you rub it, it will become more, your hand will get more irritated, and then of course that will create the problem that we are not looking for right now. And if your hands are still getting dry and itchy even after repeated uses of moisturizer through the day, a very good hack for that is right before you go to sleep, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly, Vaseline on your hands and go off to sleep. Vaseline is a good heavy healing moisturizer and it will take care of your skin through the night, and next morning you will definitely see good results. Alright, so moving on to the tired eyes. So some of us are working more than usual because of the work from home, and some of us are guilty of screwing up our sleep schedule and are also binge watching a lot of things on internet and playing a lot of video games. Tired eyes is something that I'm sure everybody is facing right now. So there are two solutions, two hacks for tired eyes. So the first tip is ice pack. So take any cloth, put ice in it and give your eyes some nice relaxation. Do it as many times as you want through the day. Put the ice pack onto your eyes and just relax. Let everything go for 5 to 10 odd minutes till the time your eyes can take that. I'm sure it will give you a lot of relaxation. So the second tip is of raw milk. Take raw milk, preferably not boiled, chill it. Take 2 cotton pads or 2 cotton balls, dip them in that raw milk and put it on your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. Milk really helps in reducing puffiness and really helps in relaxing those tired eyes. So moving on to those lips, because we are not being able to repurchase our lovely good old lip balms. I know a lot of people who are fighting over their lip balms. I thought I'll give you some nice quick tips for lips. So the first thing that you can use instead of a lip balm is desi ghee. Desi ghee works so well for chapped lips and for dry lips. Just apply a small amount, that's it, just like a lip balm. The second tip is malai. I know it is very unassuming, it might give you a very icky feeling, but believe me, it works so well for those lips, for those dry lips. And the third is glycerine. If you don't have glycerine, please use the first two things that I mentioned, because I swear by those things. I am telling you, I've tried those and they work so well. The last thing that I'm going to talk about are facial mists. For those who are working throughout the day and don't even have the time to get up and wash your face or to refresh yourselves, I'm going to give you 2 very quick DIY facial mists that you can just keep them on your desk, spray it on your face whenever you feel tired, and will quickly and very efficiently refresh you. So for the first DIY, in a spray bottle, take about half a cup of water, half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can use packaged aloe vera gel or you can make fresh aloe vera gel from your garden. Just mix those 3 ingredients together, shake it well and keep it in the fridge. Whenever you feel tired, just take it out of the fridge and spray it on your face. It will work wonders, believe me. For the second DIY facial mist, use any green tea that is available at your house. Take a glass of water, make the green tea as you do, without sugar of course. Chill that glass of green tea and put it into a spray bottle and spray it onto your face whenever you feel tired. When you use a facial mist, you don't need to wash it, you don't need to pat dry it, you just let the skin absorb it and it will instantly give you a very refreshing feeling. Alright, so these were all the quarantine tips that I have for you regarding all the little problems that we are facing this quarantine. I hope these work out well for you. If you have any of these problems, do try these tips out, and if they work out well for you, do let me know in any which way. I'll be waiting for your response. Other than that, stay safe. We are all in this together. Don't worry. Enjoy this time as much as you can, and stay positive, stay smiling, and I'll see you the next time. All right then. Bye bye.